division of a polynomial by a polynomial. The first thing that we need to do here is to rewrite this expression like follows. Then we have the dividend, that is the numerator, and the divisor, that is the denominator here. The first step that we need to do is to find a term here that when multiplied by this term, we get this one. So if you observe, the coefficient is 2 and 2. So we need a coefficient 1. We have x squared. We need an x squared to complete the x4. So this is x power 2 will be x power 2 by 2x squared will be 2x power 4. We change sign. Now we multiply this same term by the next one. This will be x squared by x. This will result in x cubic positive. Then we change sign, negative, and we write it just below the like term. In this case, this term. Now we multiply x squared by the third term here in the divisor. This will be minus 5x squared. We change sign as well. We write plus 5x squared. And now we proceed to perform the subtraction. 2x power 4 minus 2x power 4 is eliminated. And we have here minus 6 power 3. And here minus 5 power 2, x power 2. And then we pull down these two terms, plus 10x and minus 1. Now we need to find a term here that when multiplied by 2x squared, we find minus 6x cubic. This will be minus 3, first of all, to find or to get the coefficient. And then we need an x. Minus by plus is minus, but we change sign. 3 by 2, 6, and x by x squared, x cubic. We proceed with the next one. Minus by plus is minus, so we change sign. 3 by 1, 3, and x by x, x squared. And we do the same with the next term. Minus by minus is plus, so we change to minus. 3 by 5, 15, and x by nothing. We don't have a variable here. This will be x. And we perform the subtraction. This goes away, and we have minus 2x squared. And in this case, we have minus 5x. And we move down this minus 1. And now an expression that when multiplied by this term here, 2x squared, we get minus 2x squared. We have already the coefficient and the variable. We are missing the sign. In this case, we need a minus 1. This will be minus by plus is minus, so we change sign again. 1 by 2x squared, we get 2x squared. We do the same with the follows. Minus 1 by x is minus x. This will be plus x. And minus 1 by minus 5 is plus 5. Then will be minus 5. And we proceed to perform the subtraction. We get this and this eliminated, and we have minus for x minus 6. Then the result will be this trinomial with this remainder.